Bhopal. Welcome to the powerhouse of innovation, the Computer Science Engineering Department at SysTech. यहाँ हम सिर्फ कोड नहीं करते, फ्यूचर बनाते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं वो स्पेसेस जहाँ हर एक आइडिया रियलिटी बन सकता है। हमारे पास है कटिंग एज लैब्स जो डिजाइन है टू नर्चर स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स। A special highlight of our department is the NetLink Luminor Integrated Center of Excellence for Data Analytics. यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स इंडस्ट्री रिलेवेंट डेटा पर वर्क करते हैं, स्किल डेवलप करते हैं और रियल वर्ल्ड चैलेंजेस को सॉल्व करते हैं। ये है हमारी बेसिक कंप्यूटर लैब जहाँ कोडिंग की ABC से लेकर एडवांस कॉन्सेप्ट तक सब कुछ सीखा जाता है और सिखाया जाता है। C, C++, Java, Python. Strong foundations are built here. Tap into the world of the internet in our web development lab. Future full stack developers master HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Node.js to create amazing web experiences.
Computer Science and Engineering Department at SysTech Bhopal is committed to providing a holistic and cutting-edge education. With our state-of-art labs, dedicated faculty, and a strong emphasis on innovation and practical learning, we empower our students to become leaders and creators of tomorrow's technology and tomorrow's world. For their practical exposure, we do conduct so many number of curricular and extracurricular activities within the campus and off campus where they can showcase their caliber and their projects and get good amount of internships and job offers. Join us and be part of this exciting journey.
Welcome to the Project Lab, a laptop-enabled plug-and-play environment where collaboration sparks creativity and innovative projects come to life. Unravel the inner workings of technology in our operating system lab. Students here delve into the design and architecture of Unix, Linux, and other operating systems. Data is king. In our database lab, students learn to manage and analyze vast amount of information. They use powerful tools like MongoDB, Firebase, MySQL, and Oracle.
Welcome to the exciting world of IoT at SysTech, Department of CS IoT. We are driving the future of smart, automation, connected technologies. Here we are connecting the physical and digital world, building a smart solution for tomorrow with our specialized lab and expert faculty. We empower students to innovate and lead in the rapidly growing field. The curriculum is carefully designed to cover core and advanced practice in IoT, embedded system, sensor, networks, controller, and cloud computing. Preparing students to design scalable and intelligent system for real-world application. CS IoT department at SysTech offer the knowledge tool and mentorship. Join us in transforming how the world connects and communicates.
The future is intelligent. Our AI/ML labs where students develop algorithms and build smarter systems that learn and adapt, connecting the world one device at a time. Our IoT lab is where students learn about Internet of Things, sensor technologies, and building smart connected devices. Get hands-on with the building blocks of technology in our hardware and network lab. Students explore computer hardware, networking principle, and system administration. At SysTech's AI/ML department, we are shaping the future of intelligence. We provide a cutting-edge education in machine learning and artificial intelligence, equipping our students with the skill to create intelligent systems and solve complex problems. Our curriculum in AI domains cover everything from foundation principles to advanced techniques, preparing students to tackle real-world challenges. We place a strong emphasis on data analytics, empowering students to turn the raw data into actionable insights. Whether you are interested in generative AI, deep learning, we have the resources and mentorship to guide your journey. If you're passionate about AI, join us on this transformative journey. हर स्टेप को इसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास हैं हाईली क्वालिफाइड एंड डेडिकेटेड फैकल्टीज हर टेक्नोलॉजी के एक्सपर्ट जो गाइडेंस और मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड करते हैं. We believe in nurturing a culture of innovation. That's why CSE conduct the annual SysTech Innovation Hackathon, a platform for students to showcase their problem-solving skills and creative solutions. Our students don't just excel on campus, they actively participate and win accolades at hackathons and competition outside, bringing recognition to SysTech. Beyond the curriculum, our students are constantly pushing the boundaries by developing advanced projects on real-world problems and showcase their skills. Unlock your potential in the dynamic world of computer science and engineering at SysTech Bhopal. Join us and shape the future.